If you're looking for a way to store your legal and compliance logins securely, you've come to the right place. Keeping these logins protected is essential, not just for your own peace of mind, but also for compliance with regulations and avoiding potential legal risks. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through the best practices for securely storing these sensitive logins. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a special free trial for a tool I recommend to make this process even easier. First, you need to understand the importance of using a secure method for storing legal and compliance logins. These logins often give access to highly sensitive information, and if they're compromised, the consequences could be disastrous. The traditional method of storing passwords on paper or even in spreadsheets just isn't secure enough anymore. So what's the solution? Password managers. They are the most secure, organized, and convenient way to store legal and compliance logins. These tools encrypt your logins with military-grade security and are designed to make accessing them easy, without the risk of someone else getting their hands on them. When choosing a password manager, the most important feature to look for is end-to-end encryption. This means that only you, with your master password, can decrypt your stored logins. Without encryption, your logins could be exposed if someone gains unauthorized access to your storage. Our software, which I'll share more about in a moment, offers this level of encryption to keep your logins safe. Next, set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added protection. 2FA requires something extra, like a code sent to your phone, to access your password manager. Even if someone gets your master password, they won't be able to access your logins without this second layer of security. Once you have your password manager set up, make sure to categorize your legal and compliance logins. Organizing them into folders or labels, such as compliance, legal, or confidential, ensures that they're easy to find when needed, but also keeps them separated from less sensitive accounts. If you're still storing passwords in a document or on paper, it's time to make the switch to a password manager. Trust me, it's worth the effort, especially with all the risks of data breaches and compliance failures. And to help you get started, I've secured an exclusive free trial of our recommended software, which I've tried and tested personally. The link is in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. If you want to follow along with me, make sure to grab that trial while it's available. Now, to quickly recap: 1. Always use a password manager with end-to-end encryption to store legal and compliance logins securely. 2. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. 3. Organize your logins to keep them easy to access but secure. The key takeaway from today's video is this: storing legal and compliance logins securely is critical to safeguarding sensitive information. A password manager with encryption and two-factor authentication is your best bet for keeping everything safe. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial I mentioned in the description. If you're serious about security, this is the tool that will help you stay protected. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.